Hi YouTubers, this is Andrea, Loving Ivy Farm. I haven't been gone so long and I apologize for that. Had back surgery, still having issues. That may be something else now. But anyway, had quite a few changes in the last year. I lost Feline and I lost Pebbles, my black and white spotted doe I had for years and years. But we had a very nice kidding season this year. I got a new buck. Yes, Rocky and PT are gone. I'm going back to purebred Nubians, which brings me to this gentleman. He's only a year old. Hello, can we say his name is Buddy? Literally, that's on Bud E. Yeah. Flies. Dang it. Anyway, y'all remember S'mores? Well, that's her little guy that was born. She had a single. There's her udder. And he will be for sale. I would love to keep him, but I don't want to get, too inbred. So, let's see. There's Miss Pebbles. She did not take this year. So, let me see. I'm keeping that doeling over there. And her brother is the cream and orange one down there. He is for sale. He will have spurs. Let's see. And the black one, that's Serious Black. And he is also for sale. Let's see, girls. Let's see, where's Peanut? Okay, then this one, just been kind of nicknaming her Brownie. Hey, Brownie. She's Serious Black's sister. And she actually has some spotting on her. Very light, though. Hi, Sirius. He will have spurs. I did the Dr. Nailer, and I also tried burning his horns. That Dr. Nailer I will never use. If you see on his ear, even after washing his head thoroughly with vinegar, that stuff still burned into his skin. So I'll never use that again. There she is. There's Brownie. I can't find... Oh, Peanut is laying on the other side of the horse. Peanut I may keep. He's got one moon spot. That's it. There's Pretty Girl. She was actually the daughter of Pebbles. You never know it because she has no like spots or anything. So, yeah. There's Bunny. I'm kind of debating on Bunny. Yeah. And then that's Bunny's mom. Hey there, lady. So, also for sale is the last of my Kiko line. It's the black one that's still a little fuzzy. There, and with her head in the bucket. That's Moon Pie. So hopefully, hi Mars. He's got a lot of moon spotting on him. What are you doing, Peanut? Hey, Peanut. Don't touch the fence. Yep. Alright, in a later video I'll show you Embar, how she's grown up. She's beautiful. And Snickers had another baby. Am I talking? Hey, Mars. Snickers had another baby, colt this year. So I'll show you him. Dragon is already been purchased. I'll be doing some halter training and such like that. And then he'll go to his new home when he's being weaned. So just maybe short and sweet. Trying to get back into posting videos for y'all. If you have any questions, post them below. Thank you. Have a great day.